Hey guys, it's Samana Pizangosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Friday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Promise Makonyanish has one job to release a statement like Homoto Ramano. Guys, you are too short to be a bigger person. There are people that loves you with social media. They were looking up to you. Now you need to come out to say, guys, I failed. I made a mistake. I was wrong. Not for you to keep quiet and talking about other stuff with enemies, you are powerful. It doesn't make sense. Release a statement so that everything can be over. Nobody's going to judge you. The more you keep quiet, the more people judge you, guys. It's not everyone hates the Promise Makunya on social media. There are people that loves Promise Makunya and they're waiting for her to talk. Oh, guys, you can come here on social media and cry, crocodile tears and pretend and do many videos and explain what happened. People, they will feel sorry for you, guys. So guys, Owame is currently celebrating. As you all know, one thing about Owame, she will make sure that she monetizes everything has to do no Promise Makonyane. She said that she has made 12,000 rand from making videos about Promise Makonyane, guys. I saw another interview about Promise Makonyane, guys, beside Kenolungelo, guys. On the other interview, guys, it was the Legacy Collective with Kanye. So she was saying a different thing, guys. She said, life has taught her not to judge him. She understands divorced women. Men are not powerful in bedroom, in financial. Men lies a lot. She was talking about baby mama. She was saying married women, baby mama, single women, divorced women are going through the same thing. I was so surprised. This is the same promise, guys. So before you advise other people, release a statement, explain yourself. What say, guys, you know what, forgive me. You can just cry and pretend because almost the Lawrence, she's doing the most lapanago social media, and now you act like you are the villain. Now you acting like a strong woman. I'm okay, I'm fine. We can tell you're not fine, guys. She posted on Facebook saying what guys. She posted a picture. You can see she's going through a lot, even though she's lying, acting like she's powerful. There's no such as powerful, guys. The men that you marry versus the men that you divorced. So don't try to be a bigger person on social media. Never try to be a bigger person. If this person is acting somehow, now you must act somehow. You must show him who you are. So if you're gonna act like, oh, I'm gonna protect him, if he's not protecting you, why are you protecting him? Yes, he's the father of your kids. We don't care. You love him or you don't love him. One thing about men, they will do the most, so you might as well do the most, guys. So it is what it is. It's a 10-minute conversation. What do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.